Hi guys, I just got my recap on the 1st of January because every year I get my weekly recap and it's for the whole year. Oopsies, I'm just joking, it's not but anyways, boop boop. Anyways, I wanna celebrate it with you, so I just wanna say I love you guys. Mwah. See you next year because please use this sound before I hide it away for the whole year. You only get a month, which is January. I mean, not January. Anyways, better do it quick. I love you.